Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to save Snapchat filters. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Snapchat and tap on this emoji icon next to the snap option and tap on explore, and now tap on the filter which you want to save. So I'm going to selecting here mustard, capture a photo, and after capturing a photo tap on save, and after that here you can see the filter has been successfully saved here. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.